Set up in minutes. For iPhone, scan the QR code. Download the app. Or search Beambox on the App Store. For Android, scan the QR code. Download the app. Or search Beambox on Google Play. Open the app. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Press the Bluetooth button once to enter pairing mode, and tap Connect. Select an image, crop it, and tap Done. Tap Single Photo Slideshow GIF. In GIF mode, you can trim up to 3 seconds of video. Select the photo on the sending badge. Press and hold both Bluetooth buttons. Double press the receiving badge button. Transfer completes.